Hi everyone and welcome to my first review of Samsung Galaxy A55. So let's go. First of all, this phone is designed to be more than just a device for communication and entertainment. It's a work of art. As you can see by looking at its design. It's a design like a flagship smartphones, like S24 or S23 FE. I think like that design. The first thing you will notice about the phone is that it has a unique design. The phone is made of high quality materials and it has a sleek and minimalist look. The back of the phone is made of glass and it features beautiful gradient finish. The phone also has a flat display, which makes it even more attractive and comfortable to use. And it has an aluminum frame. So what's your opinion? Tell me your opinion in the comment section. Let's move on the display. The phone's display is one of its biggest advantages. But there is something I don't like about this screen. Sure, I will tell you after a few seconds. The display is a 6.7-inch AMOLED with a resolution of Full HD+. The screen is so bright and clear, and it produces stunning colors to some extent. The display also supports a 120 Hz of refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations look incredibly smooth. But I want to talk about something I don't like in this screen. Its color aren't like all Samsung screens because it's not made by Samsung. It's from another company. Really, I don't know where it's from, but for sorry, it is a fact. The phone has a triple lens camera system on the back. The main lens is 50 megapixel wide angle lens, and the second lens is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and the third lens is a 10 megapixel for macro lens. The camera system takes great photos and videos, even in low light. As you can see, I am presenting some amazing photos to you. What do you think about a processor? Let me tell you that it's powered by an Exynos processor. If you know who made this processor, tell us in comments that it's one of the most powerful processors on the market. It is the Exynos 1480. The phone also has 8GB of RAM and 256 of storage. The phone is incredibly fast and responsive, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. I think it's good for a fast review. If you want more videos, you can do so by liking and subscribing. And see you later.